Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry using NCERT. First, thoroughly read each chapter, paying close attention to definitions and examples. Understand the why behind reactions, not just the what. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to organic chemistry to build consistent understanding. This foundational approach will make advanced topics much easier to grasp later on. When tackling mechanisms, don't just memorize, actively draw them out. Use different colors to trace electron flow, which helps in understanding bond breaking and forming. Group similar reactions together, for instance, all reactions involving alcohols. This systematic approach helps you recognize patterns and predict products more accurately, saving significant study time. Consistent practice is crucial for organic chemistry. Work through every single problem in your NCERT textbook, both the examples and the exercises. Don't just look at the solutions, try to solve them independently first. Aim to complete 20 to 30 problems each day. This hands-on application solidifies your understanding and builds confidence for examinations. For effective revision, condense your notes into short, digestible summaries. Make flashcards for key reagents, their functions, and the conditions required for specific reactions. Review these daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Regularly cycle through all chapters, perhaps once every 3 or 4 days, to keep the entire syllabus fresh in your mind. This consistent review prevents forgetting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.